All right, so let's look at number 6 from level 2. So you should start on the side where it says level 2, and we're going to go to number 6. So I'm going to help you with this one, and then you will set up the proportions for the rest. Okay. So before we do number 6, I want you to go up to number 2, and I want you to change right here where it says BC. I want you to change that to QR. So if you look, all the questions are asking about QR. So that means that it should say QR and not BC. So make sure you change that to QR. Okay. So once you've changed that to QR, then you will go ahead and go down to number 6 so we can work out number 6 together. So number 6 says triangle CAT is similar to triangle COW. Write a proportion that can be used to find the length of X. So let's look at triangle CAT, which triangle CAT is right here. And then you're going to look at triangle CAW. So what triangle CAW is, it's essentially the larger triangle. So if you see, I have one small triangle inside the other. So when we have shapes like this, it's always easier to redraw your shapes. So I'm going to go ahead and redraw triangle CAT and triangle COW. So this is triangle CAT and this is triangle COW. So now that I have those, I can label my sides. So here for side AT, I have it labeled as X. So I'm going to go ahead and label that X. And then I have side CT. And if you notice here, side CT doesn't have a number directly by it, but you can see that you have this marking here. And so what does that mean? That means that from this line from here to here is 10. So that means that line CT is going to be 10. So now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and look at triangle COW. And so for triangle COW, if you look down here, we have 36. So that means that OW line is 36, measures 36, a length of 36. So now we're looking at line CW. Okay, well, line CW is right here. So it's from the top to the bottom. Well, if you notice, let me erase this so you can see the line. The line tells you that from here to here it's 10, but let me change my color so we can see. But from here to here, it's 14. So essentially, you need to know the length of the whole thing. So how would you find the length of the whole section? That's right. If you said add, you're correct. So that means you're going to take 10 plus 14. So what's 10 plus 14? 24 is correct. So that means that side length CW measures 24, has a measurement of 24. So now that you have that, you can label your set up your proportion. The only other thing that you need to notice is that your proportion has N right there. Well, while your triangle has X, you can just change the N to X. Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and solve it. I'm not solve it, but set up your proportion. Okay. So look at corresponding sides. I've kind of made it easy for you. I color coded your sides. So yeah. So look at that. All right.